In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default sending account in Outlook. If you use more than one email in Outlook, setting the right default helps you avoid sending messages from the wrong address. I'll show you how to do this in Classic Outlook for Windows, and then in the new Outlook for Windows, so you can follow along with whichever version you are using. Let's start with Classic Outlook. Open Outlook on your computer. In the top left corner, click File. On the menu that opens, choose Account Settings, and then select Account Settings again. A window will appear with several tabs. Stay on the Email tab. Here you'll see a list of all the accounts you've added. Click the account you want to use as your default sending account to highlight it. Then click Set as Default. You'll see it move to the top and show as the default account. Click Close to finish. Next, let's make sure new messages always use that default. Still in Classic Outlook, click File. Then Options. In the Outlook Options window, go to Mail. Scroll down to the section labeled Send Messages. Check the box that says Always use the default account when composing new messages. This helps ensure that whenever you start a brand new email, Outlook uses the account you just set. Keep in mind, replies and forwards typically send from the account that received the original message, which is often what you want. Click OK to apply your changes. Now, if you are using the new Outlook for Windows, the steps are a bit different but just as quick. Click the gear icon for settings in the top right corner of the app. In the Settings pane, select Accounts, then choose Email Accounts. You'll see your list of accounts. Find the one you want to make default and select Set as Default. That's it. From now on, new messages will start from that address unless you choose another one in the From field. That's all you need to change your default sending account in both Classic Outlook and the new Outlook for Windows. Thanks for watching.